In this video we will learn how to make this exercise 14 in Creo software. Now here you can see the 3D drawing with the dimension. Now first of all we study this sketch. Now here you can see two circular parts, and now this one is a base, which is a square part. Now we are start from this base square. Now here first of all we draw the 85 by 18 mm square and extrude up to 140 mm, and this one is a 3 mm inner step throughout. Now we start with the Creo, new, enter here exercise 14. Now select part and solid, press OK. Now our working window is open. Now first of all select the sketch and front plane. Now draw the one rectangle 85, and this one is a 80 mm. Now draw the another rectangle, which one is an inner step. The height is 3 mm, and now 18 from both edges. This one is a 18 mm, and now this one is a 3 mm. Now select the trim and cut this line and make this close. Now finish this one. Now select the extrude and symmetric 140 mm. Now finish this one. Now first of all we complete this base. Now make two holes 30 mm center from this edge and 70 mm both the side, 70 mm from the center plane. The hole diameter is 16 mm. Throughout two holes. Select sketch. Now draw the two circle 16 mm diameter, and now dimension from this edge is 30 mm. This one is a 30 mm, and now 70 mm both the center line, and from this edge 35. Select from this edge 35, and now from both 70 mm, and this one is also 35. Now keep this 30 mm. Now finish this one. Now select the extrude downward through, next click OK. Now we start these circular parts. Now first of all we draw this one. Now center of this circle is 50 mm from this edge and 100 mm height from this face. Now maximum hole diameter is 55 mm and inner diameter 30 mm. Now first of all we draw this 50 mm diameter. Now select sketch. select this one plane. Now draw here. Now draw the two circle which is not equal radius. Give this 55 mm and 100 mm from this edge, also 50 mm from this edge. Also this circle dimension is 20 mm from this edge and 38 mm height from this face. Now major diameter is 40 mm. Now this one is a 38 mm and from this 20 mm and now 40 mm for diameter. Press OK. Now you can see a 36 mm extrude and 12 mm from this side, so 12 mm this side. Now from this plane 12 plus 12 24 mm extrude, so select extrude. Keep the one circle. Now extrude this one 24 mm. Now other side mm. Okay. Now select sketch, select plane and draw the another circle. Give the diameter 40 mm. Now from this face 38 mm and from this edge 20 mm. Okay. Now select extrude. You can see here 24 mm extrude, so enter 24 mm. Okay. Now select sketch, plane and draw here all bounded sketch. Now make it tangent. This one is also tangent and now one circle. Equal. Now tangent. Now trim the remaining sketch and now make it close. Now finish. Now extrude this one. Mm. Okay. Now give the radius equal to this circular radius, and now this one is a 25 mm. Select a round, 20 mm. Okay. Now here 25 mm. Okay. Now make these two circular hole, which is 30 mm diameter, and this one is a 18 mm diameter. Select. Now draw circle here. mm diameter. Now coincide point. And now sketch here. The diameter is 80 mm. Okay. Now select extrude through next. Okay. And now select extrude for this sketch through next. Okay. Now our exercise is done, so we are render it. Okay. Now hide the outline. Now we are finished this exercise. Thank you for watching these videos.